Halo teman-teman, kembali lagi bersama saya di Indobrony Channel, dan kali ini kita akan melanjutkan lagi semi blind reaction kita, dan kali ini kita akan melanjutkan series My Little Pony Friendship is Magic season kedua, dan sekarang adalah episode ke-20 ya, 20. Wow. Sedikit lagi kita akan masuk ke season 3 ya, yang dimana tinggal berapa ya? Kalau tidak salah 25 atau 26 ya jumlah episode dari season kedua ini. Dan ya kali ini kita akan mereaksi episode It's About Time ya judulnya, dan saya tidak tahu tentang episode ini, saya tidak tahu apa yang akan terjadi di episode ini. Kita langsung saja ke videonya. Kita akan mulai dalam 3, 2, 1 mulai.
I made it for you, Rarity. Why, yes, it is an ice cream house. Chocolate fudge shingles.
Iya,
Rocky Road.
kayaknya ini speknya lagi bermimpi sih. Iya. Dan ini,
Twilight. Oh, hi, Spike.
dan ini kenapa?
It's the middle of the night.
Yeah.
Why are you pacing like this?
Frankly, I don't know how you can sleep at a time like this.
Hah?
3 a.m.
3 AM jam 3 pagi.
It's terrible. It's tragic.
I don't understand. What's wrong?
Ya, what's wrong?
Now
Ada
you see
apa?
what's wrong?
Ya, tanggal 4.
Forgot to celebrate Arbor Day.
No. The problem is I just finished planning my schedule for the month, but I forgot to leave time to plan for next month.
Lah,
Don't you see? There's no time in my schedule to put together another schedule. I could
Bruh.
move my meeting with the Ponyville Hay Board to the following Tuesday, but then I have to reschedule my lunch with Pinkie Pie, and you know what a nightmare she is with scheduling. This is an absolute disaster. My whole year could be thrown off.
And I woke up from an ice cream dream for this.
ya.
My
Twilight,
little pony, my little
agak strict ya
pony.
tentang jadwal, schedule.
I used to wonder what
Friendship
friendship could
goodbye,
be
Pony.
until you all shared its magic with me.
Petualangan,
Baby,
keceriaan,
sure
keikhlasan,
hearts
setia dan
faithful and
tabah,
strong.
berbuat
Sharing
baik,
kindness
bersahaja,
is easy, and
manis
magic
membuat
makes it
sempurna.
all the way
Pony kecilku, kalian adalah sahabatku. Oke. Oh iya, di episode sebelumnya saya lupa lihat siapa penulis episodenya ya.
Oh my gosh, I think I did it. If I can find a way to read the Art of Invisibility
Emma
spells
Larson
and
kali
learn
ini
the
ya,
brief
penulis
history of
episodenya.
Canterlot at the same time, that could leave me a half-hour scheduling window.
What the hell is happening?
What's going on?
I don't know. Saya juga tidak tahu. What the?
Twilight, you've got to listen to me. Who are you? I mean, you're me, but I'm me too.
Oh,
How can there be
jadi
two
ini
me's?
Twilight yang
It's
dari
not
masa depan
scientifically
ya.
possible. You are not scientifically possible. Twilight, please. I have a very important message for you from the future. You're from the future? That's right. Now listen. What happened to you? The future must be awful. Please, I don't have much time. Is there some sort of epic pony war in the distant future or something? Actually, I'm from next Tuesday morning. But that's not
Next
important
Tuesday
right
morning.
now. Can't believe time travel is really possible. How did you? I figure it out. The time spells are in the Canterlot archives. But that's not really? Where? I've never seen them. They're in the Star Swirl the Bearded Wing. Now you have to listen to. Is time travel fun or does it hurt? I have so many questions for you. I have something extremely important to tell you about the future, and I only have a few seconds, so you've got to listen. Whatever you do, Future Twilight?
Iya,
Oh no!
entah kenapa ini.
What was she trying to warn me about? Her clothes, her mane, that scar. Oh, what a mess she is. I mean, I am, or I will
Kayak
be.
bakalan jadi time loop ini
She
ya.
must want me to prevent whatever horrible thing happens in the future.
Dia terlalu panik
Come on, Fluttershy.
dan
The party can't start till that
dia terlalu
party
panik sehingga dia jadi kayak gila-gilaan ya, kayak begitu penampilannya tadi tuh di masa depan tuh.
Can I carry?
Jadi sebenarnya Twilight yang di masa depan itu adalah yang sekarang ini sedang mau melakukan sesuatu nih.
Listen, every pony, I've got something really important to say. This is no laughing matter. We have a crisis on our hooves. I've just been visited by myself from the future. This isn't a joke.
Yeah.
My future self tried to warn me about a horrible disaster that's going to occur sometime before next Tuesday morning.
What kind of disaster?
I don't know. I got sucked back into the future before I could explain.
Aduh, Pinkie Pie, Pinkie
Whatever
Pie.
should we do, Twilight?
First
How do we
thing
stop the
first,
disaster if we don't know what it is.
pop
We'll
that
just have to
balloon.
work together to make sure we're safe. Rainbow Dash, you and the other Pegasi spread out over Equestria and look for any kind of problem that could lead to a disaster. And I mean anything. You got it.
Twilight,
Every pony else?
what are you doing now is actually
Any pony
made
else
that
wanna panic with me?
uh,
No?
future yourself. Jadi apa yang dia lakukan Twilight sekarang ini sebenarnya itu membawanya menjadi Twilight yang di masa depan itu. Jadi ini semacam time loop sebenarnya, time loop. Yup.
Done and done and done. Applejack, what about the Everfree Forest?
The perimeter's clear.
Great.
And my team gave the all clear from Philadelphia to Las Pegasus.
Excellent. Well, we've done everything on the list. But still, future Twilight looked like she'd been through a horrible ordeal. I just have this nagging feeling we should be looking for something bigger than loose bolts and leaky pipes.
Okay, every pony, follow my lead.
Kalau dilihat main jinak sih itu.
What is that thing?
Cerberus.
Cerberus! He's supposed to be guarding the gates of Tartaros. But if he's here, then all the ancient evil creatures that have been imprisoned there can escape and destroy Equestria.
Destroy Equestria?
Yeah! Isn't it great? Hey, Cerberus! You look like you could use some obedience training. Magic obedience training. Huh?
Who's the cute
Aww.
three-headed dog?
Wow, I knew you were good with animals, but this is amazing.
Yep.
Aw, he's just a big furry guy who got out of his yard, that's all. Right, Cerberus? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy?
Siapa anak baik? Who's good boy?
Pinky,
Pinky.
do you have a ball I can borrow?
I have balls stashed all over Ponyville.
What?
In case of ball emergency.
Ball emergency?
Hey, Cerberus!
What is that?
Look what I have!
What kind
I'll
of
be back as soon as I've
emergency
returned him to the gates
need
of Tartarus.
ball like that?
Once he's back at home, there'll
Walaupun
be no
misalnya ini
disaster.
dibilang emergency juga kan bisa diambil dari rumah gitu kan. Nggak perlu disimpan di seluruh Ponyville gitu.
I wish Twilight would go on epic adventures more often. Best night's sleep I've had in weeks.
Hey, Twilight, how'd it go with Cerberus?
Great! I got him back before any of the evil creatures could escape. Oh no!
What's the big deal? It's just a lost dog flyer. I guess the princess hasn't heard we found Cerberus yet.
It's not that. It's this.
A paper cut? Come on, Twilight. You really need to
Ya,
toughen up. Just
itu
clean it out and you'll be fine.
ya.
The cut's in the exact same spot as the scar on future
Iya.
Twilight's cheek.
Iya,
We
seperti yang saya
haven't
bilang,
changed
ini
the
time
future
loop,
at
coy.
all. The disaster is still coming.
Twilight yang dari masa depan itu sebenarnya yang sekarang ini sedang melakukan
Then what
sesuatu
could it
gitu.
possibly be?
I don't know, but maybe you ought to give the pacing a rest. You've worn a groove into the floor.
Oh
I don't
my.
have time for another one of your lectures, Spike. This is serious.
My lectures?
I did everything I could think of to change the future, but it didn't work. So maybe it's not what I do. Maybe it's what I don't do. If I stand right here and don't move a muscle until next Tuesday, I can't possibly do whatever it is that future Twilight wanted to warn me not to do.
Really? So,
Tapi
no matter
sebenarnya
what happens, you're not gonna
yang
move
jelas
a
agak
muscle,
membingungkan
huh?
kalau time loop ya.
Then maybe you won't mind.
Ini juga
if
bisa
I
jadi kayak time paradox
eat an
sebenarnya
entire
ya.
tub of ice cream.
Yang jelas kayak berhubungan dengan waktu itu agak membinggung. Itu bukan agak membingungkan, sangat membingungkan. Entah itu time loop ataupun time paradox.
So good.
Mike, stop! Think of the stomachache.
Stomachache, huh? That's Future Spike's problem. Hey, Twilight! Another Pegasus just got back from Baltimore with an all clear and... What's going on? Aren't you gonna stop him? She sure isn't. In fact, she's not gonna move till next Tuesday. She thinks it'll prevent the disaster from happening. Oh, this is too rich. Hey, Twilight! There's a mouse right behind you!
Ya, itu Twilight yang di masa depan ya. Kayaknya gara-gara stres jadi gitu ya.
Oh no!
What happened?
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. It was a total accident.
Show me.
I'm not so sure that's a...
Show me! Oh no, this is
Yep.
the same main cut as future Twilight.
You know, it really doesn't look too bad.
I don't care how it looks. It's just another sign that the future hasn't changed. Not doing anything didn't work either. Oh, I wish there was a way to know what was going to happen so I could stop it.
You
Ya,
wanna see
bagaimana
the
caranya
future?
menghentikan time loop atau time paradox
I
ini?
might know some, Pony.
Ya, ada perbedaannya time paradox sama time loop, tapi saya bingung
What's this?
It's
tentang
Madam
ini.
Pinky's place.
Waktu
Madam Pinky?
benar-benar membingungkan.
Enter the chamber.
Makanya tidak ada yang namanya kembali ke masa lalu atau sebagainya itu.
Answers you seek. Let us consult the
Kalau ada yang bilang
mystical
dia itu time traveler itu kayaknya nggak mungkin
You like
itu.
my mystical orb of fate's destiny? I just got it. Cool, huh? Yeah, best one I've seen. Look deep into the crystal ball, for soon it will reveal all.
Bisa juga terjadi kayak apa ya?
I see
Yang kayak
something
ada kayak butterfly effect gitu kan.
of the
Nanti di
future.
season 5 lah
You, Twilight,
bakalan
you will get
kita dapat itu episodenya
really cool birthday present
untuk
next year.
pergi ke
Yes,
masa lalu mengubah sedikit saja bisa
Are you sure?
membuat banyak
Cool
perubahan di
birthday
masa
present.
depan gitu.
Pinky,
Nanti
I
di
need
season
your
5
pinky
itu.
sense to tell me what the impending disaster is that future Twilight was trying to
Itu
warn
bukan
me
time
about.
loop yang terjadi di situ. Jadi seperti yang saya bilang, waktu itu membingungkan karena bisa jadi time loop, bisa jadi time paradox, bisa juga benar-benar berubah masa depan gitu.
Where did that even come from?
Wow, udah angle bro.
Gosh, I haven't seen Twilight since the flower pot incident. Hope she still isn't mad. Off by 0.02 from yesterday. Carried the 15. Negative azimuth on the 14th moon.
Hey, Pinky.
Twilight's really serious about finding out about that cool birthday present, isn't she?
Who cares? As long as I can keep eating ice cream. Sorry, Future Spike.
Are you okay? Pinky, I'm glad you're here. Can you help me recalibrate the apertures on the 9 1/4 catadioptric telescopes? Sure! So I was thinking, after I came to see Madam Pinky and the flower pot landed on my head, see the bandage, just like the bandage from the future? Nice! I had an epiphany after that flower pot. Doing things didn't work. Not doing things didn't work. And I couldn't predict the future either. So I only had one other choice.
Like I said, ini terlalu membingungkan. Bahkan nih, Twilight jadi stres gara-gara
No matter what happens in the
tidak
future,
tahu
I'll be
ini
ready.
harus gimana ini supaya keluar dari kayak misalnya time loop ini atau time paradox ini atau mencegah apa yang terjadi di masa depan gitu.
Oh, I didn't sleep. I haven't slept since future
Makanya.
Twilight was here. There are only 3 days left until next Tuesday, I
Saya
can
tidak terlalu suka cerita yang ada kayak
Don't wait too long, Twilight.
misalnya
days from now.
ada kayak time travelnya gitu. Terlalu
Did you finish
membingungkan.
calibrating the apertures on the 9 1/4 inch catadiopter
Sakit
telescope?
kepala coy memikirkannya.
idea.
Karena ada kemungkinan benar-benar masa depan berubah. Ada juga kemungkinan time loop, ada kemungkinan juga time paradox.
There! Now you look like a pirate. A sleepy pirate with a really weird name cut. The eye patch. Another sign. Nearly all the signs have come true. I haven't done a thing to prevent the catastrophe. If Tuesday's tomorrow and the disaster happens by Tuesday morning, then there's only one solution. I'll just have to stop time. Okay, the Canterlot archives are right over there. Let's move.
Tapi terlihat keren sih sebenarnya Twilight berpenampilan seperti ini. No gonna lie.
Come on, you guys. That was close.
I don't know why we have to wear
Lama
these
banget
things
anu
either.
penjagaannya ini coy.
For fun? No, there's nothing fun about this. Oh,
Itu penjagaannya kok gak
focus, guys.
anu gitu.
The only way to prevent this disaster is to stop time.
Gak
Time's
sadar
kept in
gitu.
the Star Swirl, the Bearded Wing.
Ada
in the
sesuatu yang
secret section
salah
of the
gitu.
archives. That's why we're sneaking around. Awesome! That sounds fun. No, it's not fun. I still don't understand how sneaking into the archives is gonna help her find out about her birthday present. The coast is clear. Now slowly lift me into the window so we can...
Let's get this over with.
Like I said, penjagaannya terlalu lemah. Ada celah di mana-mana.
Okay, if my calculations are correct, the Star Swirl, the Bearded Wing should be right here.
Twilight,
What is it, Spike?
isn't this where we came in?
Cool! Can we climb in the window again? That was super fun. I don't understand. It's supposed to be right here. How are we supposed to find it now? Maybe we should ask some pony in the Star Swirl, the Bearded Wing. Huh, I missed that. Look at all those priceless magic scrolls. There are more than I ever imagined. Twilight, the card! What do we do? What do we do?
Hey, Twilight. Haven't seen you in a while. Let me open that for you.
Ah,
Thanks.
well,
Oh no! No, no! Look! I look just
penjagaannya
like Painter
terlalu
Twilight.
lemah,
The
Cok.
last sign has come true. And that's bad, right?
Dia
Come on.
dia mempersilahkan
It's almost
Twilight
Tuesday
masuk ke
morning. The disaster could
arsip
happen at any
Canterlot.
moment.
But how do we find
begitu
a
mudahnya.
time-stopping spell?
tanpa
There must be a
menanya-nanya
million
mau
scrolls
apa
here.
gimana gitu.
I don't know.
Twilight, it's over. It's officially Tuesday morning.
No! Tuesday morning, the disaster! Incoming!
I don't know, Twilight. I don't see any disasters.
Iya, tidak
Looks
ada.
like a pretty nice day.
Sebenarnya Twilight dari masa
Good
depan.
morning, Twilight. Love the new hairstyle. Well, happy Tuesday.
Love the
Why isn't any
new
pony surprised to see
hairstyle.
me sneaking
Happy
around in
Tuesday.
Is it possible there never was a disaster?
No.
That I've just been making myself frantic over nothing?
Yes.
I don't get it.
Panik
If future
sendiri
Twilight
gara-gara
wasn't warning
aneh.
you about a disaster, then what was she trying to tell you?
I don't know, but I do know one thing. I look ridiculous.
Yes.
Yeah, you do.
And it's all because I couldn't stop worrying and let the future handle itself. Well, not anymore. From now on, I'm gonna solve problems as they come and stop worrying about every little thing.
That's
Yeah.
great. Does that mean
Terlalu
there won't be any more
paranoid
late-night
ya
pacing?
Twilight di
No
episode
more
ini.
late-night pacing. If only I had learned this lesson a
Tapi
week
kayaknya
ago, we wouldn't have had
sudah
to go through
beberapa
all
kali
this.
kayaknya Twilight.
Twilight, I found something. It doesn't stop time, but it lets you go back in time. It says you can go back once, and it only lasts for a few moments. Does that help?
Pinky, you're a genius!
Woohoo!
Now I can go back and tell past Twilight that she doesn't need to go berserk with worry about a disaster that's never gonna come.
Time loop, don't do that.
Twilight, you've got to listen to me. Who are you? I mean, you're me, but I'm me too. How can there be two me's? It's not scientifically possible. You
Ya,
are not
time loop,
scientifically
time
possible.
loop.
Twilight, please.
Time
I have
loop.
a very important
Saya
message
nyerah
for you
kalau
from
time
the
loop, Cok.
future.
Nggak suka
From
saya
the
time loop, Cok.
future? That's right. Now listen.
Jadi episode
What
kali ini
happened to you?
tergantung nanti
The future
bagaimana
must
dia
be awful.
endingnya nanti
Please,
saya
I don't have
kasih
much
nilai
time.
ini.
Is there some sort of epic pony war in the distant future or something? Actually, I'm from next Tuesday morning. But that's not important right now. I can't believe time travel is really possible. How did you, I figure it out. The time spells are in the Canterlot archives. But that's not really? Where? I've never seen them. They're in the Star Swirl the Bearded Wing. Now you have to listen to. Is time travel fun? Or does it hurt? I have so many questions. I have something extremely important to tell you about the future. And I only have a few seconds, so you've got to listen. Whatever you do, don't waste your time worrying about.
Iya, deh.
Can't believe I just did that.
Did you tell her about the cool birthday present?
Remember last week when future Twilight came to warn me about something? That was me trying to warn myself not to worry so much. Now I'm gonna spend the next week freaking out about a disaster that doesn't even exist. Ugh.
Aw, don't worry about it. It's past Twilight's problem now.
I guess you're
Yeah.
right, Pinky.
Oh, my stomach.
Ya terlalu banyak es krim.
I think it's all that ice cream. I thought the stomach ache would be future Spike's problem,
It's
but now I am future
Yep,
Spike.
present.
Come on, future Spike. Let's get you home.
Yap, jadi saya kasih nilai 5 episode kali ini karena saya sebenarnya tidak suka dengan konsep waktu yang kayak time travel gitu sih. Sebenarnya tergantung endingnya juga sih sebenarnya. Yang jelas ya karena membingungkan banget ya. Jadi saya kasih nilai kurang gitu. Dan apa lagi ya? Ya, saya tidak tahu bilang apa lagi, tapi yang jelas waktu itu sesuatu yang sangat membingungkan dan terus berjalan ya. Sebenarnya cuma di cerita fiksi doang yang ada kayak time travelnya gitu yang membuat kita bingung gitu. I don't even know what to say anymore. So jika kalian suka dengan konten-konten seperti ini, jangan lupa untuk like, comment, share, dan subscribe ya. Dan jika kalian ingin mendonasikan uang kalian ke saya, kalian bisa lewat Patreon, Saweria, ataupun traktir yang ada di deskripsi. Dan jika kalian ingin request sesuatu untuk saya reaksi atau main gamenya, kalian bisa request di donasi ataupun di komen. Tapi yang di donasi itu saya akan prioritaskan ya. Dan ya, untuk video kali ini mungkin segitu saja. Sampai jumpa di next video Free Palestine. Bye.